Let me share with you a quick new way to manifest. It's a very simple method that I discovered by accident, and all you need is your own phone. As I started testing it, I noticed it works like magic every single time, instantly helping me feel aligned with my desires. Here is how it works. Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm a mindset coach and a manifestation expert. Thank you for joining me. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified each time I upload a new video. This method consists of creating a joyful image of yourself holding money or whatever you want to manifest with the intention of bringing those feelings into your present reality. Then setting reminders to watch it 7 times a day while fully feeling the excitement and gratitude and pairing it with powerful affirmations, you will attract anything that you are wanting into your life. But let me start by telling you how I came up with this new method. I literally attracted it. It came to me. I wasn't looking for it deliberately. Within just 30 minutes of trying this technique for the first time, I received an email from one of my platforms that I work with asking how they can refund me a certain amount of money. Now, while it wasn't a large amount, but it was a clear sign to me that I opened the door to the abundance I was aiming to attract. While editing one of my videos, I noticed something weird but amazing. I'd edit clips of myself smiling and just feel happier. It was like watching my own joy was contagious, giving me the same good feeling every time. And I thought, if seeing myself happy can make me feel good, then could I use this same trick to manifest? Think about it. Have you ever looked back at a holiday photo or an album from a time when you were having an amazing day and instantly that joy, that energy floods back? You feel it in your body, and that's when it hit me. What if I created a photo that showed me already living my manifestation? Our brains are naturally wired to respond strongly to images. When we see a picture, our brain doesn't just passively observe it, it engages deeply. Studies show that images can stimulate emotional responses far more quickly and effectively than words because visual input is processed directly in the brain's emotional center, the limbic system. This means that seeing a visual representation of something can instantly evoke feelings, which is why looking at an old photo can bring a smile or stir emotions from the past. When it comes to manifestation, this is incredibly powerful. When we repeatedly see images that represent our desires, such as a picture of ourselves looking happy and fulfilled, having money, our brain starts to associate those images with real emotions, activating the same neural pathways that would fire if we actually achieved that goal. Over time, this representation helps embed those positive feelings, boosting belief and creating a mental and emotional shift toward attracting what we want. This method is simple but works because of how our brains respond so naturally and strongly to visual cues. To manifest an abundance of money, I tried a simple method. I created an image of myself smiling, holding money, and feeling genuinely excited, just as I'd feel if money were already flowing effortlessly into my life. Every time I look at it, I let that feeling wash over me. And repeating this 7 times a day felt powerful. And to add extra strength, I paired it with 3 affirmations that resonate deeply with me. And I will give you these 3 affirmations that I use. This is exactly what I needed. The second affirmation, I am allowing in more money than I can spend. And the third affirmation, I am free to do whatever I want to do. First affirmation is a confirmation that what I'm seeing is exactly what I needed. So it's a kind of a validation of my desire. I chose the second affirmation to be more general because I don't like specifying exact amounts of money or timelines, which can create unnecessary pressure and resistance. Instead, I focus on allowing limitless abundance, ensuring there is always enough for every need for both myself and my family. And the third affirmation might not sound like it's about money, but for me, freedom is deeply connected to financial ease. Being free to do what I want means that money is never a limiting factor and always arrives in the right amount and a right time to support my goals. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about finding what feels natural and effective to you and working with any resistance that might come up. So, whatever you are trying to manifest, maybe it's not money, it could be something else. You can change the affirmations and come up with your own. See what affirmations can make you feel exactly the way you felt when you had what you are now wanting, or bring improvement in the way you feel and use them when you watch your image. Creating your own manifestation image is very simple and powerful. You have two options: either snap a real photo of yourself holding money or representing what is it that you are wanting and radiating with joy, or use a design app like Canva to create a vibrant image that embodies your happiness and satisfaction. But if you can, I suggest that you take a real photo of you because that's more effective. Use Canva or any other software if you want to manifest something that you can't capture in the moment, like something you've never had or something that you don't possess yet, maybe a car, a house, or a relationship. The magic lies not in the image itself, but in the feelings it evokes when you look at it. Each time you see this image, take a moment to immerse yourself in the excitement and gratitude that comes with it. Allow yourself to feel those emotions deeply. This is where the real manifestation power lies. You bring those feelings into your present reality. Picture that image as your current reality. Imagine the sensations, the sights, and the sounds surrounding you as you're already living that abundant life. When you engage with this image, you're not just seeing a moment captured, you're affirming a belief in your mind that this reality is yours. To make this method truly effective, consider setting reminders on your phone to look at your manifestation image throughout the day. Aim for 7 times, as this number holds spiritual significance in many manifestation practices. Each time the reminder goes off, take a moment to pause, breathe, and engage with the image. Allow yourself to feel the happiness and satisfaction as if it's your current reality. The key here is emotional engagement. The more you immerse yourself with those feelings, the more you align yourself with the reality you wish to attract. Research indicates that strong emotional connection can significantly influence our brain's processing and the effectiveness of visualization techniques. Remember, the frequency of this reminder isn't just a practical tactic, it's a way to embed your desires into your daily consciousness. The more you practice this, the more natural it becomes to embody that desired feeling. This phone-only method works every time I use it because it's all about feeling and believing in your desires. So go ahead, give it a shot. Let me know in the comments how it brings you closer to your dreams. Your experience could inspire someone else to take that first step toward their own manifestation journey.